JavaScript is a programming language. It makes websites interactive. It adds functionality to web pages. JavaScript is essential for front-end development. JavaScript controls things like animations. It handles user interactions. It can even manipulate data on the server. It's a versatile language for web developers. JavaScript is different from HTML and CSS. HTML provides structure. CSS adds style. JavaScript brings websites to life. JavaScript was created in 1995. Brendan Eich developed it at Netscape Communications. It was initially called Mocha, then LiveScript. JavaScript gained popularity quickly. It became a standard for web browsers. It enabled dynamic and interactive web experiences. Over time, JavaScript evolved significantly. It adopted new features and standards. This evolution made it a powerful language. Variables store information in programming. They act as containers for data. You can think of them as labeled boxes. In JavaScript, you declare variables using, or, each keyword has its own scope and mutability rules. For instance, variables can hold different types of data. These include numbers, strings, booleans, and more. Understanding variables is crucial in JavaScript. Functions are blocks of code. They perform specific tasks. They are reusable, making your code more efficient. You define a function with the keyword, followed by a name and parentheses. For example, functions can take arguments, which are inputs, and return values, which are outputs. They are fundamental to structuring and organizing JavaScript code. Section 5. Exploring objects in JavaScript. Objects group data and methods together. They represent real-world entities in your code. They make your code more organized. An object consists of key-value pairs. Keys are like labels, and values are the data associated with those labels. Objects are versatile and used extensively in JavaScript. They are essential for representing complex data structures. Section 6. JavaScript's crucial role in web development. JavaScript is a cornerstone of front-end development. It enables dynamic content, user interactions, and more. It responds to user actions like clicks and scrolls. It updates content without requiring page reloads. It enhances the user experience. JavaScript also plays a role in back-end development with Node.js. It's a versatile language for both client-side and server-side scripting. Section 7. Popular JavaScript frameworks and tools. Numerous frameworks and libraries simplify JavaScript development. They provide pre-built components and functionalities. React, Angular, and Vue.js are popular front-end frameworks. They help build complex and interactive user interfaces. Additionally, tools like NPM or Node Package Manager and Webpack streamline development workflows. These tools enhance productivity. Section 8. Best practices and common mistakes in JavaScript. Writing clean and efficient JavaScript code is crucial. It improves maintainability and prevents bugs. Use meaningful variable and function names. Follow consistent indentation and code style. Write modular and reusable code. Avoid common mistakes like using global variables excessively. Be mindful of asynchronous operations and handle errors gracefully. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the power of JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful language for web development. It empowers developers to create dynamic and interactive experiences. Learning JavaScript opens doors to countless opportunities. It's an in-demand skill in the ever-evolving tech industry. Numerous online resources, courses, and communities can help you master JavaScript. Embrace the journey and unlock the potential of this versatile language.